Let's talk about how to set up a text widget like this for your cashback campaign. Before we get into the setup, let's quickly talk about how this widget works and what exactly happens after a customer places the order. As we can see, we are currently on the cart page. You can choose which pages to show this widget on. It can appear on the cart page or on specific product or collection pages. This is completely doable. Let's return to the cart page. According to the message, we need to add at least $1,000 worth of items to the cart to qualify for cashback. Let's add one more item. Let's add another one, and now we are eligible for cashback. Now, let's click on Checkout. Let's place a test order to see what happens when we complete the purchase. Let's quickly enter some test credit card details. Click on Pay now. Perfect. This is the latest email we received. It says we have received $50 worth of cash back on the store. The email also explains to the user how they can claim their store credit. This email can be customized using our email editor in the admin. Now, let's go to the admin and look at how to set up this text widget. Let's begin by giving this an example campaign name. We'll call it BFCM. The second section is the currency section. Here, we select the currency in which the customer must be shopping to be eligible for cashback. For this example, if customers are checking out in non-USD currencies like CAD or AUD, they will not receive any cashback and will not see any widget on their storefront while shopping. If we want to run a similar campaign for customers shopping in different currencies, we can create multiple campaigns, one for each currency. Now, moving on, we have the cashback amount type. Here, we can choose between percentage or fixed amount, depending on what we need. Next, we have the progress type. This section is important because it defines the eligibility for the campaign. We can select any of the available options. For example, if we choose the cart total option, it means that whatever minimum amount we set here, the customer must reach that amount in their cart to be eligible for cashback. For instance, if we set $500, the customer needs to add at least $500 worth of items to their cart. Then we have cart quantity. This defines how many items the customer should be buying to qualify for cashback. Next, we have product total. There are a few options under product total: specific products, variants, and collections. Let's take an example using collections. Here, let's say for collections, if we select automated collection, this means that we are setting up specific rules. Now, let's define a threshold. This means that customers need to spend at least $1,000 on this particular collection to be eligible for cashback. The same logic applies for product width, specific variants, and specific products. We can also set this up for product quantity. For simplicity, in this video, we will stick with cart total. We can add as many tiers as we want and define the threshold for each tier. For each tier, we set the minimum amount and the cashback value the customer will receive. We have a couple of advanced options here, which will be covered in upcoming videos. Lastly, we can select on which pages we want to display this widget. Click Save here. If we want to change the text or the icon, we can do that by going to the Widget Content section. If we want to change the color, font size, icon color, or similar settings, we can click on Customize after saving the campaign and make all necessary changes to match our brand needs from this section. That's it. Just make sure the Theme app extension is on before testing. The Cashback 2.0 extension must be enabled for the widget to work. Thank you.